Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and vice versa. First, we need to open the file manager on our device. To do it, simply swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu and then tap on the My Files icon to open the file manager. And here we have the file manager. Now, scroll through the menu right here and find the option called internal storage and SD card. First, we want to copy the files from the internal storage to SD card rather. So let's select the internal storage. Here we have the list of folders on our internal storage. Find the files you want to transfer. So for example, I'm gonna open the DCIM folder, camera, camera, and here I have a couple of photos. Let's say I want to move them to SD card. To do it, first we need to select them. So we need to press and hold on one. This will enter the selection mode and we can select one or multiple files. Select the files you want to move and down here you should see the menu. Tap on Move option. Now, scroll down through this menu, find the SD card. On the SD card, find the folder you want to move files into. So for example, let's tap on DCIM, camera, and let's say I want to move the files here. Now, tap on the Move Here option to move the files, like this. And the camera and the files were moved to the SD card. So if I go to the internal storage, DCIM, camera, the files are gone. And if you open the SD card, DCIM, the files are here. And to move the files from the SD card to internal storage, it's basically the same thing, but you select the SD card first, open, or rather find the files you want to move, select the files, tap on Move, tap on internal storage, find the folder you want to move the files into, so for example DCIM, and you can also create a new folder. So if you want to create a folder to move the files into, you can tap on the More Options icon, tap on Create Folder, call it something, and then tap Create. And we can open the new folder and move the files here by tapping on Move Here, like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and vice versa. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.